Hello everyone and welcome back to Conn. So in this video we will see how to create a dual axis chart. So in our previous video we see how to create a lollipop chart and how to create a line and column chart, that to be in a single window. Okay. So in this video we will do a dual axis chart. If you have not watched these two videos, then I'll just send this link in my description box. Just go through those videos so that you can easily understand this one. Okay. So for this, just drag and drop product subcategory to column and sale into rows. Okay. And for dual axis, I'll just drag and drop profit into rows. Okay. So then convert it into dual axis. So both are circle now, right? The sale are in circle and the profit are also in circle chart. So I'll just change the first one into bar chart. Okay. And reduce the size. Yeah. So here if your manager will ask you to show me the highest selling subcategory, so in that case what you will do? Just sort this one. Okay, click this button so that you can see the highest selling product subcategory. So you can see the office machine has highest selling subcategory, which is 3,18,170, and then the second one is chairs, which has 2,61,073, and then the third one is telephones, which is 1,98,764, and the fourth one is tables, which is 1,93,765. But see, for the tables, the sale was 1,93,765, but the profit was minus 7,240. It means it is in loss, right? The profit is in negative value. So now if your manager will ask you to show the most profitable subcategory, okay, so in that case what you will do? You just click this one. Okay, this is my secondary vertical axis. Just click this sort option so that you can see the highest profit is binder and binder, which has the profit 59,296. The second highest was chairs and chairmates. The profit was 48,696. Third one was telephones, which has the profit of 40,791. The fourth one was copier and fax. The profit was 23,990. Okay. But see here, from pen to table, all these category are in loss, right? You can see in the pen it was minus 258. The bookcases also it has minus 930. The product subcategory envelopes has minus 1,194, and this is the table which was the profit like loss of minus 7,240. Okay, so while checking this one loss part, you can quickly take the decision, and this is called business intelligence. Okay, so that you can quickly take the action on these 5 parts, 5 categories, and work on that. So that's all for this video. In this video you have learned how to create a dual axis chart and what is business intelligence and how to work on that. Okay, and I'll just rename this sheet as dual axis. I hope you have understood. Thank you. So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.